Good morning, students. In the previous video we have completed the exercise A and B part. The name of the chapter is the case of copied question papers. Today we are going to take up part C. So students, this and this and this we have done. This I have given you as your homework. So from here the culprit we are going to start. The culprit, a 6 feet tall, saw the question paper on the table, entered the room, noted down the question, broke his pencil, sharpened the pencil, left the gloves. Now conclusion. Gilchrist copied the question papers. Now students, we have HOTS. Why couldn't Soames solve the mystery behind the copied question paper while Holmes could do it in a short time? Now students, these questions are given in your DAV website also. They are uploaded and these are in the video also. Soames couldn't solve the mystery behind the copied question paper while Holmes could do it in a short time because Soames was not an experienced, here it is, experienced D detective, but Holmes had all the qualities of a detective as he was a keen observer. So you know students, because of the keen observation of Mr. Holmes, the case was solved. Now students, we have the question for life skills. You have found a part. You have found a pen drive of one of your teachers. It has the question papers for the coming exams. What will you do in such a situation? So students, basically that is up to you. What will you do? Would you copy the question papers or won't? So I have made an answer for you. If we found a pen drive of our teacher that has question papers for the coming exams, we will at once return to the teacher without opening the question papers. So I hope students you all will do the same. Now students, next question. All children can be made to see through their mistakes by speaking to them. Discuss with your partner. Now students, we all know that we all make mistakes. When you are a child, then also you make mistakes, but as a teacher or as an elders, what is our duty? Our duty is to correct your mistakes and to make you come out of your hesitation, right? So conversation is very important, like Bannister talked to Gilchrist and made him realize his mistake and took him to the correct path. Same thing can be done with all children. Now students, next we have values. Was it right to set Gilchrist free at the end? Should he have been punished or not? Yes, it was right to set Gilchrist free at the end. No, he should not have been punished. E also, because he by himself realized his mistake and decided not to take up exam. So that's why there isn't any need of giving any punishment to him. Now students, we have writing skills. Imagine yourself to be Gilchrist. Write a letter to the education officer informing him about your decision of not taking the scholarship paper. So that is a letter. The education officer, ABCCT. Subject, not taking the scholarship paper. Sir, I want to state that I am a student of this college. I have made a mistake. I have copied the question papers. But I realized my mistake and told everything to the professor also. Now I have decided that I am not going to take up the scholarship paper. I request you to remove my name from the examination list. I shall be grateful to you for this. Yours sincerely, Gilchrist. Students, here the date is to be added. So I have added date here after ABCCT 8 November, 2020. You are also supposed to add the date also. And students, last one is a notice that we are not going to do. Fine, that is not to be done. Okay students. So students, here your chapter is completed. Fine. This is your chapter that is completed now, and it was a very interesting chapter. Now students, I hope आपका लिटरेचर का जो होमवर्क है दैट इज़ completed in your books. ठीक है, आपका बिल्कुल ये जो लिटरेचर का सिलेबस है बिल्कुल कंप्लीट होना चाहिए आपकी नोटबुक्स में. फाइन. आफ्टर आफ्टर दिस मंथ, अभी तो ये फेस्टिवल्स हैं, एग्जामिनेशंस भी हैं, सो इन दिसंबर आई थिंक योर नोटबुक्स विल बी चेक्ड. ठीक है, नोटबुक्स आपकी प्रॉपर मेंटेन्ड होनी चाहिए. इन द बिगिनिंग देयर मस्ट बी एन इंडेक्स. और ऐसा कोई चैप्टर नहीं है जिसके क्वेश्चन आंसर आई हैव नॉट सेंट यू. ओके, ऑल द चैप्टर्स आर अवेलेबल इन योर DAV वेबसाइट. इफ you find some problem, if you are not able to find the chapter there, you are supposed to tell the school about that. Fine. कोई भी प्रॉब्लम है आप स्कूल को बताओ, सारी की सारी आपकी प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व की जाएंगी, बट पढ़ाई आपको खुद से करनी है. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, थैंक यू, हैव ए नाइस डे.